How to reset Instagram password if forgotten? Here's how. Initially start by opening the Instagram on your phone. Then head to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right. Once you are there, tap the hamburger icon at the top right to open the menu. From the menu, select Account Center. Inside the Account Center, go to Password and Security and choose Change Password. Now if you can't remember your current password, tap on Forgotten your password. Furthermore, Instagram will send a reset link to your email address. Open the link once you receive it and click on Reset Password. You will be then asked to enter a new password. Make sure it's strong and something you will remember. Re-enter the same password to confirm it's correct. Finally, hit the Reset Password button. And just like that, your Instagram account will be secured with a brand new password. And that's it. You have successfully reset your Instagram password.